Hello, today I am going to discuss about the virtual PLC holding circuit versus the PLC internal latching and unlatching instructions. Now you need to create a new file. So you need to close this current file. What you need to do, you click the file, close it, and then click the file again, then click new to generate the new file. Okay, here you can select any option that you want. For me, I will select the first one. Okay, 1100 series B. Make sure the driver is emulate 500. Okay, and click OK. All right, here I will create a new run and put in the new instruction. So I click here and then I click new run. Okay, I click here. I will put in the new crunch and then I will put in the new virtual switch. I click and drag, then I click and drag. Okay, until I see the red little box change to green little box, and then I let go. Then I click this normally close virtual switch to here. Okay, then I click the virtual output coil, and when I see the red little box change to green little box, then I let go. Okay, for this one I put in the normally open virtual switch to here, and then if I want to copy this instruction to here, is very simple. I just need to click this instruction here and then press down the arrow, the control key, and drag, let go. Okay, now I will select this virtual output latch coil, click and drag to here, and then this one U, which is virtual output unlatch coil, click and drag, then click and drag until I see the green little box and let go. All right, so in order to write the addressing for each instruction, there are few methods. The traditional method is you double click and you can write yourself. Let's say digital input column, okay, slot 0, okay, dot word 0, okay, dot followed by word. This is a word 0. It can be word 0, word 1, word 2, word 3. Okay, depends on your PLC digital input. Word consists of 16 bits. Alright, then slash. Anything followed by slash is bits. Bit mean terminal point. Here, let's say I use a bit, maybe bit 0. Okay, then you enter. Then you can write any description that you want. All right, or you also can write in such a way. Okay, digital input column slot 0, instead of write dot, okay, followed by word 0, you can straight away slash 0 and enter. Okay, you can put in any description, let's say switch 0. Okay, similarly for this one, you can double click, you can write digital input column 0 slash bit 1. Okay, maybe description is switch 1. Okay, so for this one, okay, the second method of writing the addressing is you can just double click the data file, then drag and pull the bits to here. Let's say for this one, okay, maybe I put like that, output. Okay, let's say I select this bit 0 for this one, digital output. The description, I double click the description, I can write the description. Maybe I write like 0. Okay, so I can just click this one and I pull to here. So this is another way to write the addressing. Okay, so double click the input data file, let's say I want to use a bit here. Okay, so this I can write digital, for example, digital input column slot 1 dot, okay, sorry, slot 0 dot, then word 1. One word consists of 16 bits. Okay, slash. Okay, after dot is word, word. After the slash is bit. Bit means terminal point. So this terminal point is bit 0, bit 1, bit 2. Okay, you can write like that. Okay, there is another way to write it. This is the digital input column slot 0. Okay, instead of writing dot followed by word 1, you can ignore it and straight away put in the slash. So if you do like that, then you have to write the total bit number. Okay, so the total bit number is count from here: bit 0, bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, under bit 15, bit 16, 17, bit 18. Then you just write bit 18. Okay, this is another way to write it. Here maybe I give a comment, maybe latch circuit. Okay, okay, then the other one maybe I use this one, 34. Okay, this one double click description. I write description unlatch circuit, unlatch circuit, and then I pull to here. Okay, so this one latch and unlatch instruction might use the same addressing. So maybe I use number 3. Then double click description. I just use maybe latch unlatch. Okay, then I click and pull. If I want to copy the addressing from here to here, so I just need to click the addressing, meaning click the black highlight. Click this one, then press and hold the control key and drag to here. Okay, so the addressing will be the same. Alright, so now once you're done, what you need to do is you need to compile the file. Alright, so you click this one, verify the file to make sure there's no error. Okay, now there is an error. Run 0. This one is a run 0. Okay, 4. Here, this one got error because I forget to key in the addressing. So this addressing and this addressing should be the same because I want to hold the circuit. So I need to copy the addressing. So I click and hold down the control key, drag to here and release. Okay, now the addressing is the same. Now I need to verify one more time to make sure no error. Then verify the project. Then I need to save. File, save. You can save it to your computer or laptop hard disk. Okay, save to the directory that you want. Maybe this one I will give the name latch and unlatch circuit. Okay, you can give the name to your processor. Processor mean PLC. If you don't want, you can leave it untitled if you want. Let's say I give a name, for example, maybe virtual PLC 2. Just a name only. It's up to you. Okay, click save. Okay, after that, what you need to do is to compile one more time. You verify again to compile it. Then you save again. Okay, click OK. So then you go back to this emulate. Open the file that you saved just now. Then open. Okay, give the station number. Since I have used the station number 0 and 1, so I have to use other number, maybe number 2, 3 or 4, etc. Okay, for me I use number 2. Click OK. Then I can come here to click download, or I can go to communication, system communication, and then click the processor that I saved just now. This is a processor, virtual PLC 2. Click this one, then you download. Then click OK. It will tell you it will download to the emulate 500, which is our virtual PLC. Click yes. Click yes. Click yes. Then you will go online. Then you click here one more time. make sure you click run, then yes. Okay, so I if let's say I click this one, I right click and I click toggle bit, what will happen is, as I said mentioned earlier, toggle bit is used to change the status of the bit. Okay, here it means it will change the status of the virtual switch. It will change the virtual switch from normally open to close, or from normally close to open if you click the toggle bit. Okay, what happen if once I click the toggle bit, this will change from normally open to close. The virtual power will flow through the rung to energize the output coil, and this will cause the relevant virtual switch, which is linked to this one, since both of the instructions share the same addressing. It will be triggered from normally open to close, so the virtual power will flow through this branch to continuously energize this output coil, and this circuit will continue to hold. That's why it is called holding circuit or latching circuit. Okay, once I click this one and then select toggle switch, this virtual switch will trigger from normally close to open, and this will unlatch the circuit. All right. Okay, now let's say I click, right click, toggle bit, then you see this virtual output coil is energized and trigger this relevant virtual switch from normally open to close, and continuously to hold the circuit by continuously energize the output coil. Okay, so now this one, if I toggle bit again, you see it continue to latch the circuit to hold the circuit, meaning the virtual output coil is continuously energized. If the digital output, digital output terminal point 0 is connected to external load, for example, motor contactor, this will trigger the motor contactor three-phase switch from normally open to close, and the three-phase current can flow through the contactor to the motor, and then we'll start the pump. Okay, so in order to stop the pump or to unlatch this circuit, I just need to click this one, switch one, then right click, and then click toggle bit, so this circuit will be normalized. So similarly for this latch and unlatch instruction, the working principle is the same. It's the only thing that this is a specialized instruction available inside the Allen Bradley PLC. So if I click here and right click toggle bit, what happened, this virtual output coil will continuously energize. That means holding the circuit, meaning latching the circuit. Okay, so even though I right click and toggle bit again, okay, to simulate the switch is off, but the virtual output coil is continuously latched or continuously energized. Okay, the principle here is the same like the principle that I explained just now for the first round. Okay, the only difference is we use a specialized instruction, which is latch and unlatch. Okay, in order to unlatch it, we click this unlatch circuit switch. All right, then right click the toggle bit, then it will be unlatched. Okay, that's it. Thank you.